Good morning class. Today we will derive the simple equation of motion for bodies traveling along a straight line with uniform acceleration A. There are three equations of motion. First equation of motion, second equation of motion and third equation of motion. So today we will derive the first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus Et. Suppose a body is moving with initial velocity Vi and is traveling with uniform acceleration A for a time t in such a way that then the final velocity becomes Vf. So the acceleration A is equal to change in velocity upon time. So A is equal to, so how we can write the change in velocity? When we subtract the initial velocity from the final velocity. So final velocity is a Vf and the initial velocity is a Vi. Then the change in velocity means Vf minus Vi upon time means t. Now we will rearrange this equation. T is dividing here. When the t come on this side, the t will multiply with a. So we can write it At is equal to Vf minus Vi. So V is subtracting from this side. When Vi come on this side, we can write it Vi plus At is equal to Vf. So Vf is equal to Vi plus At. This is the first equation of motion. Students, now we will solve the numerical. Find the acceleration of a body whose velocity increases from 11 meter per second to 33 meter per second in 10 seconds. So, from this numerical, first of all, we will write the data. In this numerical, find the acceleration. Acceleration means we have to find A. And next, of a body whose velocity increases from 11 meter per second to 33 meter per second in 10 seconds. So students, there are three things in this numerical. Number one, acceleration, velocity and time. So there are two velocities are given in this numerical, 11 meter per second and 33 meter per second. So 11 meter per second is its initial velocity because the body starts from with this velocity, so it is the initial velocity. V I is equal to 11 meter per second. and this one is a final velocity because after some time the velocity becomes 33 meter per second. So this is the final velocity, and the final velocity is represented by Vf, and it is 33 meter per second. So 10 second is the time. So t is equal to 10 seconds. And in this numerical, we have to find the acceleration, and acceleration we have to find. To find the value of A, we will use the first equation of motion. First equation of motion. So the first equation of motion is equal to Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Now we will put the value of Vf, Vi and T in this formula. So the value of Vf is 33. We will write here 33. The value of Vi is equal to 11. So we will write here 11 plus At means A and T are multiplying with each other. So we will write the value of T in bracket because the time is 10. So we will write here 10. Now we will subtract 11 from 33 because 11 is adding in this number. So 33 minus 11 is equal to A multiplied by 10 means 10A. So when we will subtract 33 from 11, the answer will be 22 is equal to 10A. So 10 is multiplying with A. When 10 will come on this side, we will divide 22 by 10. So 22 divided by 10 is equal to A. And A is equal to 2.2. So what is the unit of the acceleration? The unit of the acceleration is meter per second square. So this is the complete solution of this numerical. So students, solve these numerical by using the first equation of motion in your physics notebook. Thank you for watching and God bless you.